Hi, my name's Sarah. I heard about this tour through some work that I've been doing for Steph for 7 Women, and so I was really interested in coming along for the tour because I've been sort of doing a whole lot of different things at home but didn't have a full comprehension of the work which was actually happening on the ground in Nepal. So I was really excited to come along to meet all of the women and have conversations with Annie and meet Patty and meet a whole lot of different people as well and have a really good experience with a big group of people. I didn't want to come across just by myself and go to the centre because that wouldn't have given the same feel. I think I'll take away from this tour a lot of taking a lot of time for myself and relaxing, and also understanding that you can get a whole lot of stuff done in one day. We've done so much every single day, which was really awesome. I'd recommend this tour. I hopefully will get some family on one of the next tours because it would be really awesome to share the experience and the love and the happiness of this country. It's been so much fun.